This is Amber, Reference and Instruction Librarian at the Van Library. Today I'm going to show you how to do a manual interlibrary loan request for items that are in the collection. That way we can keep everyone healthy among this health crisis. So what you're going to do is you're going to get to the library homepage, which is library.sf.edu. And you are going to click on My Account in the top banner. And then under Library Links in the top right, now you might have to sign in if you're not on campus. I'm on my work computer, so it already signed me in. So you might be prompted to sign in. And then under Library Links, you're going to go to ILL Express Request. And you are going to scroll down and you are going to log in to ILL Express. And then you will click on Create Request. And this is how you can create a manual request for things that are in the collection if you do need a book or an article right now. So you can toggle between article and book. So depending on what you need, you can click on one of these. If you are doing an article, make sure to fill out this information about my item. You'll want to make sure you have the journal title, the volume, and the issue number and page numbers. And then if you are doing a book, you want to make sure you have the title of the book, the author, the publisher, and the ISBN number. That way we can look it up and make sure we get the right book for you. Sometimes there's a lot of different books that have similar titles. So we do need, if it's a book, more than just the title. So I hope this helped you so you know how to put in a manual request for something that is in our collection, and I hope you have a great day.